On Pantaloon Saima 2018 red carpet, we have with us someone who needs absolutely no introduction. Everyone on this Bhumi is a fan of Bhumika. Ma'am, it's such a pleasure to have you here. How do you feel about being a part of Saima?
Really, really happy, and thank you so much for the compliment. I am very happy to be a part of SIMA in 2018. I was a part of it 2 years ago, and this is more special for me because I've been nominated this year.
Absolutely. I think all of us, when we watched the film, we knew you were someone who totally deserved an award for the film. And just the fact that you're nominated, we're all extremely excited. How do you feel about this nomination?
Happy. I'm really, really happy. My mother used to say just being nominated is a very big thing. So I take that as a very, very huge compliment from my well-wishers, from Saima, from the entire team. I think I'm already feeling blessed.
That's so sweet. And ma'am, as I mentioned to you earlier, we're live on Facebook. And you know that even if you take a small break and come back to films, I think all your fans are always waiting to watch you on screen and encourage you. So what would you like to tell your fans?
I just want to say that I am really grateful to all of you that you still give me so much of love and you watch my films. God bless you. Just stay happy and blessed.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. We just have a quick game here that we're doing on this live. So I have a couple of cards with me and they just have never have I ever questions. So you just have to tell us whether you've done this or not, and they're not going to be tricky, I promise. Okay. So would you like to pick a card?
Should I? Yes. Oh, lied to my trainer about a cheat meal. I have.
You have? Ma'am, with such a great figure, we can't even imagine you having cheat meals, really?
Yeah, so sometimes I go binging in. I mean, not sometimes. I think I love to eat. I eat everything. But then there are times people say you should go on Sprouts and you should go on no roti and so on and so forth. And I'm like, no, I really can't give up my food.
But what is that one food item that if you look at it, you're just like, हाँ, okay, cheat meal day ho gaya?
Pastries. I love pastries.
Yeah?
Yeah, I love pastries. So I don't have them very often, but I think, too much sweet.
Okay, maybe the next time you come here, we're going to have a pastry also waiting for you. But tonight, I hope there is an award waiting for you to take home tonight. So all the very best, ma'am, for this and a lot of other future successes that you're going to get. Thank you so much for joining us tonight.
So much. Pleasure's mine.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Up next, we have a beautiful lady who's just like on the roll, greeting everybody. Hello, you seem to be in your best spirits.
Yes, always in my best spirits.
Okay, so how do you feel about being a part of Pantaloon Saima 2018? What would you like to tell everybody?
Hi, everybody. I hope all of you will watch when Saima comes. And yeah, I'm just super nervous. I'm hosting today, so I'm super nervous. Otherwise, yeah, good.
You hosting something and being nervous, it just doesn't seem to go together. You're someone always so energetic, ready to do everything that comes your way.
All of that, yes, but this is the first time that I'm doing this.
Okay.
And a lot of people who are going to sit in front of me are people that I've been watching from childhood. So it's going to be really scary for me to announce their names or to call them on stage or to anything, to even share the stage with them. So yeah, I'm pretty nervous.
Okay, all right, but I think you've been dressed perfectly for the event. I think Saima is all about South Indian cinema on an international platform, and I think you're going to be giving like international model severe competition. Could you tell us about your outfit?
Definitely. This is designed by Alpana and Neeraj, and I'm styled by Shweta Bapat. The designer, basically, I asked for something comfortable and something that'll go bold and out there because I'm a personality like that.
Okay.
Very straightforward, very to the point. And yeah, I think my dress is also very to the point. This is who I am types.
Yeah, like you're super comfortable in that. Like when I saw it, it was so
Like this makes me feel like I have a lot of power.
like a warrior princess.
Yeah,
Right?
types.
So do you want to do like a quick move to all our fans and?
I know, right?
Oh, that's just perfect. Thank you so much. So I have a quick game with me. I hope you don't mind playing it. Yeah, fast, very fast. So one never have I ever card and you just have to tell us the answer.
Never have I ever given a fake number to someone. I have.
You have?
I have. I think it was in a club and this person he was super drunk and I don't drink. And he kept pestering me for a really long time and I didn't want to, shout at him or anything because he was already drunk and I didn't want to humiliate him. So I said, okay, fine, I'll just give him the wrong number and then probably he'll disappear. And he did. So
Was that a random number or did you just give someone else's number?
No, I gave my number till the last 3 digits and changed the last 3 digits because I have to be confident also. No, if he says I'm sorry, then I'll have to say it again also. No.
Very smart.
Next time you guys are giving the wrong number to somebody, make sure you're giving your number and change the last 3 digits or the last 4 digits so that you can confidently say it again.
Thank you so much for being here with us and sharing that tip. Good luck to you as well.